To go along with the Paper Mache Christmas decoration themes, the tutorial for this week will be the Paper Mache candle holders. If you want to see how I create these unique candle holders, keep on watching. So guys, for this week, we're going to be making the Paper Mache Christmas decorations, but we're making Paper Mache candle holders. I might do a stick, I'm not sure, but in the inside of this cup, we're going to put the Paper Mache so the candlestick can hold. To be one of the first to watch my videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. So guys, one of the things that you have to do once your paper mache is dried is you have to constantly ensure that while it's in the process of drying, that you are making sure that your hole is big enough for your candlestick, okay? Now, if it's not big, which this one is not, see the chafings? Look at what happens. See that? You don't want that happening. So what you're gonna do is get either a drill bit the size and just drill inside of it to make sure that it's the exact same size. Now with these ones, I actually wanted to put wood here and have a wooden stem and then have my candles on top, but I couldn't create the wood rounds. So what I did was I turned these ones over and I'm just going to place them. For these ones, I'm going to just put my candles in and I'm going to have them like that. And you want to make sure you spray these, because once the candle melts, you can leave it, but you don't want any fire, right? You want to be cautious because of fire. You want to make sure that these are protected, so make sure you protect them before you start lighting a candle on with paper and flour. It will go up in flame. Now for these ones, you see we made the hole, so we're just going to push that inside. We're going to push it in. To keep them so that they're sturdy, you can go back in with some paper mache and then dry it, and the same for the bottom portion. And once you're done that, you can put a little bit of paper mache there if you'd like. And then remember, this one also, you want to spray everything. Now, if you wanted to take me on any of your DIY projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to take me on there. And then I also have my Facebook page where you can upload different DIY projects that you're creating. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the paper mache decorations, paper mache candle holders, focus on this video next on last week's paper mache bells. If you like this week's video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment down below and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.